Can AI write Python code that removes backgrounds from videos? I tried it, and here's what happened. This video shows how I used AI to remove backgrounds from videos, step by step. Unlike my previous video on removing backgrounds from images, removing backgrounds from videos is a bit more complex. As in my previous video, I started by creating a project folder and a new Python file in Visual Studio Code. Then I copied a well-crafted prompt into the AI site kimi.com. After it generated the code, I copied it, pasted it into Visual Studio Code, and ran it. I selected the video and waited for the background removal to finish. This is the first result. The code works, but the quality is not good enough, with issues around the hair and edges. So I asked the AI to generate better code. But the result is obviously still not good. As you can see, I tried with the AI many times to improve the result. After several trials using AI, this is the final result. It is stable and usable. Here is the comparison: the original video, the first attempt, and the final result. This shows how coding with AI works. It often takes several attempts to get a good result. The final result isn't perfect, but it is good enough. Comment Part 2 if you want me to improve this AI code, and tell me what features you want me to add. The AI prompt, all the Python code, and links to the tools I used are in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more. And don't forget to check out my previous videos.